Hello friends, today's video regarding Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI. The Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI is a wise purchase given the variety of features it provides. Even though the built-in battery is fairly average for the price, the fast charging feature more than compensates in terms of instant power. The Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI is expected to weigh approximately 161 g and feature a 6.0-inch screen. This smartphone will run Android 12 and have a respectable 1080x 2520 pixel resolution. Its dimensions are 153mm by 67mm by 8.3mm. The Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI features a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 processor, an Adreno 619 GPU, and an Octa-core 2x2.2 GHz Kryo 660 Gold and 6x1.7 GHz Kryo 660 Silver CPU. Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI camera is expected to be 8MP on the front and 12MP on the back, with 8MP telephoto and 8MP ultrawide lenses. Panorama, HDR, and LED flash are some of the additional camera functions. Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI connectivity options include GPS, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, audio player, FM radio, games, speakers, video player, edge, and a fingerprint sensor. Additional elements. The Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI has 4 sensors: proximity, accelerometer, compass, and fingerprint, side-mounted. In India, the Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI is expected to cost 42,999 Indian rupees. With a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 processor, 6GB or 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of storage, this phone is said to be excellent. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. See you in the next video.